for the next year, I'm really wishing you have enough money for all the things you need. So that's why I'm next to the bank. I wish you to have enough food to feed your families. May your family and you be healthy next year and never get sick. And this is Putu. Putu is our secretary. We met this year only, I don't know, maybe 20 times all year round. I wish you to meet people more often than this year. Be beautiful next year. And don't forget sometimes to go to the barber shop and just don't stay always inside your house and think no one is seeing you. Just be beautiful for yourself. During the next year, visit beautiful places. Even if it's just your neighborhood, like next door, just go there. Because only people with the beauty in the heart, with no darkness in the heart, can do beautiful things. May next year you have enough money to fill up your tanks with the petrol for your cars and motorbikes. It's been a year of hopes, beliefs, frustrations, but if you're watching this video, then definitely it's not that bad because your electricity bill is paid and you can charge your computer to see this video. Heads up and look with the optimism into the next year. So me and Laura, we wish you a very happy new year, full of new opportunities, new challenges, but definitely interesting. Maybe more sun and sea than this year. We cannot complain, we have it all. So that's why we just wish it to you.
And I hope next year will be much better than this year.
It wasn't that bad, actually, to be honest. We actually, at least we had the time to think about important things in our lives. So otherwise, it's this hamster wheel is just, we're just running and running and running and never get stopped. Okay, people, Happy New Year. Greetings from us and hope to see you next year.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.